Bang! Today's video is, look at that motherfucker. Guess we just swear now. We swear and don't give a shit. Whoa. Bob, what do you think? Making friends here too. Reconnecting with old friends. Bob! Hey, Bob! Oh, thanks. Yeah, he's smiling. He loves that. He's like, yeah, a little crooked. I know, Bob. You're a perfectionist. Got the, what is that, the 1-inch gap on this side and the 0-inch gap on that side going on type of thing. Well, I already put the shit together, and what was the funny, this is what I'm doing in the video. Put the shit, gotta get a thing of gaps and cracks. We put the thing together and forgot to put the insulation back in there. There it is, we needed a little bit in there, so I guess we'll just gaps and cracks it, go shh. Throw a little piece of, what is that gonna be, a little 1/2 inch? More like 3/8. Probably go 1/2 inch piece of wood all the way down that. And then what? Trim it. Trim this baby in and trim it in again. Yeah. Bob! He's a quiet guy.